a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
My people, it all set again. The opposition of Progressive Congress in Edo State has reacted to a viral video where Governor Godwin Obaseki was heard saying that if the last week Benin City airport attack happened again, that Nigeria will burn. My people, it all set. Now, APC they urge Edo Assembly say may they impeach Governor Godwin Obaseki. My people, don't be small matter. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Saturday met with the leaders of the People Democratic Party from each ward across the 80 local government, and he has boasted that the Edo State PDP will win this governorship election come September 21st. My people, before I go bring the matter, I go like wake up on a special to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our busy subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. So my people, make a yarn on Tori. The opposition of Progressive Congress in Edo State has reacted to a viral video where Governor Godwin Obaseki was heard to have threatened that should the last week Benin City airport attack happen again, that Nigeria will burn. Governor Godwin Obaseki in the 20-second long abridged video while addressing leaders of the People Democratic Party said he won't say much, that the rest is up to them, that right now they kept quiet last Thursday, that if they try what they did last week Thursday again in Edo State, then Nigeria will burn. But reacting to the viral video, the acting state chairman of APC, Emperor Jared Tinubu, in his statement, condemned the governor's statement, describing his action as uncontrolled threat to burn down Nigeria, and they urged the State House of Assembly to commence impeachment proceeding against Governor Godwin Obaseki. The acting state chairman of the APC, they talk say, in the last 24 hours, that Nigeria from all walks of life have been threatened to a melodrama wherein the Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, clothed like a villain in a video threatening to burn down Nigeria, that if the murderers of the inspector of Ako Ano at the Benin City airport are arrested by the police, that to say the least, that Governor Godwin Obaseki's last violent threat to Nigeria and Nigerians is a descent into madness that must quickly be tamed to avoid anarchy and breakdown of law and order in Edo State and Nigeria. The APC State acting chairman said that the sign of Governor Godwin Obaseki cognitive impairment has been a source of concern not just for Edo people but also to the governor himself. They say they know say Governor Godwin Obaseki don't ready he talks. One was the dangerous Edo State Security Network. The second one are the public work volunteers to kill and wound anyone that hold contrary views of his divisive administration. They said the avoidable tragic incident of last Thursday, July 18, 2024 is a vivid evidence of how far the state sponsors extrajudicial killing have been going on. It was covered by the state government with deceptive reports of inter-court fights in the state. So waiting General about the dog say it is time to stop the madness that is going on in Edo State, and it's time to stop Mr. Godwin Obaseki before he carries out his threat that Edo people can no longer watch Governor Godwin Obaseki incessant violent politics that has heightened insecurity in the state, that they are therefore calling on the State House of Assembly to immediately condemn Governor Godwin Obaseki's reckless and dangerous threat to burn down Nigeria. So to forestall and end Governor Godwin Obaseki's unprecedented heinous plan, so they are urging the Speaker of the member of Edo State House of Assembly to immediately start Governor Godwin Obaseki impeachment process that has become overdue. They say they stitch in time, save 9. That prevention, they say, is the best cure. So may they do them fast before Governor Godwin Obaseki go burn down Nigeria. But people don't be small while and we don't hear. So guys, I go like make una tell me what you think about this matter in our comment section. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Saturday met with the leaders of the People Democratic Party from each ward across the 18 local government areas of the state to strategize ahead of the governorship election holding on September 21st, 2024. The meeting was held at the new Festival Hall Government House, Benin City, the Edo State capital. Obaseki, who expressed the party readiness for the election, thanked the party leader for their commitment, dedication and courage, which he said had kept the party together as one strong, united and divisible party. Governor Obaseki said he wants to thank every one of them for rallying around the party to organize the ad hoc congress, which produced the party candidate for the 2024 Edo governorship election. That Congress chose their candidates and the primary that produced Asue Hodalo is being celebrated nationwide as the best ever in the nation. So he thanked all of them for working with the delegates and for electing him as their candidate to carry their flag in this election and to succeed him as governor of Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki said he have known Asue Hodalo for about 4 decades and he thanked God for giving them Asue Hodalo, for giving them somebody who he knows will do better, more than he have done in Edo State. He said Asue Hodalo has the attributes, the intelligence and integrity, and he will grow up under the great discipline of his mother. So he's so convinced that with the effort that all of them have put in, that Asue Hodalo will be the governor of Edo State come September 21st, governorship election 2024. So they are the only party in the state, and he is not afraid that they will win the election. They have been able to inaugurate the state campaign council, local government campaign council, and the world campaign team. And they are all in place to make this governorship election successful. And they have also been able to upload the list of all their party agents in all the 4,519 units and successfully uploaded the names of all their agents into the INEC portal. So this meeting is to brief them on their political activities over the next 60 days leading to the election. Governor Godwin Obaseki said that he's sure that the candidate Asue Hodalo is finalizing his campaign, and he have made sure that the last campaign will take place on the 18th of September 2024. The local government campaign will start on the 1st of September, while his campaign will be flagged off on the 29th of August 2024, where they will be inviting national leaders of the party to come help them with the flag off of the campaign. So between today and that date, expect Asue Hodalo, the candidate of the People Democratic Party, to tour all the 192 wards in the state. And as the candidate, he will be making stop in all the wards. So come September 21st, 2023, they are sure that PDP will still be in place, will still be in their position, and Asue Hodalo will still be the governor of Edo State. Hey, my people, don't be so boasting. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to it yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way, stay safe guys. Bye for now.